There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Dodge Challenger SXT Blacktop in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, gloss black grille, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black rear spoiler, front bucket seating, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, sport mode, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D6911.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.